The United States Marine Corps has marked a significant milestone with the deployment of the MK22 Mod Advanced Sniper Rifle. This sophisticated weapon system has officially reached full operational capability, a remarkable achievement accomplished a year ahead of schedule. The MK22 Mod signifies the dawn of a new era for Marine snipers, equipping them with unparalleled precision and adaptability on the battlefield. This cutting-edge rifle is slated to replace older systems like the venerable M40A6. The MK22 Mod 0's arrival signifies a substantial leap forward in terms of long-range accuracy, modularity, and overall combat effectiveness. The expedited attainment of full operational capability underscores the Marine Corps' commitment to providing its snipers with the most advanced tools available. At the heart of the MK22 Mod 0's design lies its remarkable modularity. This adaptable platform can be readily configured with interchangeable barrels, enabling snipers to tailor the rifle to specific mission requirements. The MK22 Mod 0 offers compatibility with three distinct calibers: 338, Norma Magnum, 300 Norma Magnum, and 7.62 by 51 NATO. This caliber flexibility significantly enhances the operational versatility of Marine snipers. The 338 Norma Magnum provides exceptional long-range performance, making it ideal for engagements at extreme distances. The 300 Norma Magnum offers a balance of range and terminal ballistics well suited for a variety of combat scenarios. Meanwhile, the venerable 7.62 by 51 NATO round ensures compatibility with existing ammunition stockpiles while still delivering reliable accuracy. The MK22 Mod 0 boasts an array of advanced features designed to give Marine snipers a decisive edge in combat. Among its most notable enhancements is the integration of the M317 Precision Day Optic. This variable-powered optic provides crystal-clear target acquisition and enhances the rifle's inherent accuracy. Beyond its precision, the MK22 Mod 0 incorporates features aimed at minimizing the sniper's signature on the battlefield. Its design prioritizes sound suppression and reduces muzzle flash, making it more difficult for enemy forces to detect the sniper's position. Furthermore, the rifle's modularity extends to its maintenance. The MK22 Mod 0 is designed for ease of maintenance in the field, allowing for rapid repairs and adjustments without the need for specialized tools. The MK22 Mod 0's journey to operational deployment is a testament to the power of collaboration. The rifle's development involved a joint effort between the United States Marine Corps, the United States Special Operations Command, and the United States Army. This collaborative approach ensured that the MK22 Mod 0 would meet the demanding requirements of America's elite warfighters across different branches. The rifle's arrival marks a pivotal step in the Marine Corps' ongoing modernization efforts. By fielding the MK22 Mod 0, the Marine Corps reaffirms its commitment to equipping Marines with the most advanced weaponry available. This state-of-the-art sniper system will undoubtedly play a crucial role in future conflicts, providing Marine snipers with the tools they need to maintain their tactical superiority. The MK22 Mod 0 stands as a symbol of American military innovation and a guarantor of the Marine Corps' continued combat readiness.